Hey, what's up, everybody? Today, we're taking a look at the Aonic 50 Gen 2 headset from Shure. Now, to quickly recap what's in the box, we've got our hardened travel case here. All right, it is not a soft case. It is hardened so that when you put it in a backpack and you're on the go, you're not smashing it, right? It's staying nice and protected in that case. We've also got our 3.5mm connection there if we want to be wired into the system. But of course, we can use Bluetooth for wireless. And we've got that USB-A to USB-C charging cable to charge up the device. Now, the headset itself is designed for those that need to wear it all day or a good portion of the day. So very premium, thick, comfortable cushions on the ears and on the headband there, right? So you can be wearing this thing all day. It's going to be pretty comfortable. A lot of flexibility here. You've got the adjustability on the angle of the ear cups, as well as the ability to extend this for different size heads. I do not have a very large head, so I don't need to extend it very far, but this is what it looks like on. And for being a larger over-the-ear headset, all that cushioning really helps it feel like you're really not feeling it there at all. It's pretty airy, pretty easy, not too clampy, liking the feel. If I were a headset person during the workday rather than a speakerphone person, this would be an easy thing to adjust to on the regular. Now, as this is the Gen 2 for the Aonic 50 headset, that begs the question, what's new? Well, there's a new hybrid active noise cancellation capability, improved algorithms from the previous generation, and they do an amazing job at filtering out that noise in the environment around you. And the new Spatializer technology has 3 different modes you can choose from: music, cinema, and podcast. Now, taking a look at the controls on the side, this is our noise control button here. When you've got it in the up position like this is your environmental mode. If you swap it down to the middle, that's nothing. No active noise cancellation or environmental mode. Down here, you've got active noise cancellation. Of course, we've got volume up and down, as well as a middle button for controlling calls and our music. And as we roll down toward the bottom there, we'll see our power button and Bluetooth capability. You hold that a couple seconds to turn the device on. You hold it down for 5 seconds to start pairing with Bluetooth. And finally, we've got our USB-C port at the bottom. And on the opposite ear, you can see we've got that 3.5mm port. Now, as I hold the power button down for a couple seconds, that LED comes on and it shows that we are now powering our headset on. Now, one thing you'll notice when you first turn the device on, it will flash blue and red because it automatically enters pairing mode when you first turn it on. However, if you need to enter pairing mode later on, that would be a 5-second press on our Bluetooth button. And now that I've moved the MV7 Plus mic from Shure out of the way, which is what you were hearing audio on before, I'm not just doing another look and feel demo here. I'm actually demoing the onboard mics through the Aonic 50 Gen 2. So my voice right now, as you're hearing it, is an active demo of the onboard mics of the headset. So there you have it, a quick test drive of the Aonic 50 Gen 2 from Shure for all you podcasters, streamers, gamers, developers, avid travelers, anyone really that needs to block all the noise out with a lot of premium comfort. Hope you found this helpful. If you did, please throw a like on the video and don't forget to share it with all your friends. And we'll see you back here for the next device overview video.